Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share my subscription boxes. I love shopping hauls and whatnot. Now today I have a subscription box for you to share, and it's only my second time getting this one. And I actually canceled it after the first time because it's a little bit more than some of the others. You get 5 items. I think you get 5 full-size items. It's $34, and it comes every 2 months, and I just wasn't, the first one was good, but then it just wasn't good enough. I thought, you know, I'm just gonna cancel it. So, but it's the CHIC beauty box I'm talking about, and it's a small little box packed with wonderful things. But I saw someone open one this month and I absolutely loved it. It was, every item was screaming right at me. And so I went ahead and signed back up to get this one, and here's what it looks like inside. I did open it up and I realized that there's one important item that's not in here, and I think they just forgot to put it in. That's all I'm thinking. So I haven't had a chance yet, but I'm going to contact them and hopefully they'll send one out to me. So it's a little bummer. I'll put the item that I was supposed to get, a picture of it, and show you what it is. But first of all, so now I'll just get to the other 4 items. So, all right, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to show you is from one of my favorites, is this is Ofra Cosmetics, and this is a mascara. I've never used a mascara from Ofra, but it's shaped kind of like the square rectangle, like it's shaped like their lippies are. Let's see. It feels like it would give. Looks like it might give good volume. So there's the brush. The brush looks like, it says your best lashes yet. So I know it's gonna be a good mascara, I can just tell. So there's that. It's my first thing. The next thing is by Give Them Lala Beauty. And I believe this is probably going to be a lip product. And it looks like a decent color. Oh, I forgot to wipe my hand off after the last video. Sometimes when I film, I just get on a roll and I just go from one to the next. So, ooh, it's a really pretty, I don't know if you can really see it from there, but it's a really pretty color, and I'm just gonna put some over. I have a little bit darker on, but okay, it has a good feel to it. So you know how I can just tell a good product, so that's good. Okay, the next thing, I was really excited about this. I love Medmaski. I love their products. They're usually a little bit more expensive, and this one is, oh gosh, what does this say about this? I have to get my glasses. This is highlighting, glowing, softening, brightening, and shimmering, glowy, illuminating blush drops. So it could be used as a blush highlighter type thing. It could be used under, or you could add it to. Now there's a couple drops here. Let me see if I can. It's just really shiny, shimmery. It might look pretty mixed in with your blush. I don't know if it gets darker with time. We'll see. It kind of blends right in with that lip product. But I was really excited to try this. I think it's something you could do all over your face too if you wanted, just for that, like a pink kind of a glow. Okay. And because I'm missing an item, I'm going to show you right now what I'm missing. I believe it's a highlighter palette, and I was really excited about it. It looked really good. So hopefully I can get that. But I did save the best product for last. And this is so exciting, you guys. This is by NARS. And look how thick this is. This is like a thick box. It's an eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna try to open here. Okay. Comes packaged very well in a good heavy box, and then also in this heavy cardboard. So, and it's just cool looking. Look at that. It's got the lines in it, the NARS logo. And let's open it up. Love it. It's neutrals and berries. Once again, right along my lines. So there's what it looks like. I like that it has a black in here too, and some darker ones, some lighter ones. Just got a good variety, a good mix. So that's that. So I can only show 4 products, but I got the NARS eyeshadow palette, the Ofra mascara, yay, the Mud Masky glow shimmer. Now you can see it now, it's really shimmering, kind of a pink shimmer, and also the lip product. So got those 4 items, yay. I'm really happy with the quality of this box. Now this eyeshadow palette alone would pay for the whole box. I'm gonna put prices up. Well, I'm telling you this now, but you probably already seen them. Put prices up so you can see how much these are. I will let you know. And anyway, hopefully I'll get the last product. So thank you for being here. I appreciate you guys supporting me. I would love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment. I love to hear what you think about these videos. So anyway, thank you, and we will see you guys in the next one. All right, friends, bye-bye.